Hello, folks. Today you're going to learn how to jack your truck up the best way possible. Take notes. It's going to be a question. Let's go.
When the tailgate drops, the bullshit stops. That's how we do it down here in the country. When the tailgate drops, the bullshit stops. That's right, we gon' party, don't call me to run. When the tailgate drops, the bullshit stops. Yeah, come on. When the tailgate drops, the bullshit stops.
Here we go.
Yeah, come on. Living like a villain, chillin', chillin'. The sticks.
Get here. Let's go. Had to jump up. A fat buck couldn't get in the guy truck. Oh, let's see what the verdict is, my friend. Where they be going?
Steaks on the grill and it's fresh killed meat. My walkers just barked it up out on me. I was yelling BBD on the CB. That's big buck down, slang country. I'm a Chevrolet rider, my brother loves Fords, but he got a Dodge, had it since he was in school. I don't care what it is, as long as it's got a bed. I can throw a nice chest out box a girl in.
Biscuit. They way down there.
Little bitty deer, just go calm off. I was just letting her shoot it. See, you better go catch me.
Y'all ready? Come on. The last race they was running a little yearling, so we caught them. Well, we caught all of them but one. Took them off there. We're gonna try it again. So see how long it takes them to jump. 1, 2, 3. That didn't take long.